welcome back to TMC Lifestyle. Today we are waiting on this microwave to finish beeping first, but today we have an unboxing of a Michael Kors bag. It just got here like a few minutes ago, guys. So here's the box, and y'all see I already opened it. But I am unboxing, and I have it here on my screen, so I'm looking. The Whitney medium quilted tote bag. Okay, so that is Whitney. She wanna dance with somebody, right? So we have it in black with gold hardware. They have lots of other shades here on the side. I see maybe about 5 more shades, but isn't she lovely? Very, very pretty bag. Love that chevron detail there. Right here in the front, you have the Michael Kors logo. So let's go ahead and I'll pull the rest off just so you guys can really get a look. All right, guys, so I went ahead and took all of the packaging out and everything so you guys can see. That's the back of Whitney. Very, very pretty. That's the front. And she has snap closure or magnetic snap closures, because you can see it's pretty, it snaps pretty good. All right, so we have a front opening, and it's deep pockets. Like I have some Nivea here, and you could put like that whole bottle of Nivea in there. They're like, this is a big purse. You have a center zip closure here. And inside of that, I know it's a black interior, hopefully you can see, there's a little slip pocket inside the zip. So that's a nice feature. And then in the back, you have another magnetic closure. And nice and deep. So this is a, I mean, like, look at my head and look at the purse. That's a pretty big purse. She does not have feet, but she's very well structured, so she stands up pretty well. And she is just absolutely gorgeous. Yes. So along with Whitney, I bought a wallet. It was already on sale, and then you got an extra 20% off if you bought one of the selected items. So I chose a wallet. It's a black wallet. It's called the Hamilton. I don't think I have another Hamilton. I may. But it's definitely not a black one. I think I have the signature print brown. So there you go. You see the cute little closure there with the MK. And it just snaps closed like that. So that's a cute little lock right there. And when you open her up, you also have Michael Kors written there. You have like that accordion style for all of your cards and everything. You have some slots. What do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 slots. Slip pocket back here. One in the middle. One back here. And we haven't even gotten to the zipper area. So we're going to unzip that. And you got more space right there. So lots of space in this wallet. You turn it around and another slip pocket back here. Lots of space. So that is absolutely awesome. I didn't realize that wallet had so many pockets and compartments and everything. So everything could go up in there like. So I thank you guys for tuning in today. The next time you see Lady Whitney, she will be all dressed up. We're gonna do some cute little charms and everything, and we're gonna dress her up. I know she's already dressed up. She already has chains and everything, but we can do a little something, a little 1, 2, 1, 2. You know what I'm saying? We can make her look even better. So the next time you see her, she will be even cuter. I will see you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.